Your patent sucks because you wasted your dependent claims. My name is Steve Hansen. I've been a practicing patent attorney for over 25 years. Not only do I write patents, but I tear apart other people's patents in litigation. If you like this content, please do me a favor and like, follow, and share. There are two kinds of claims in a patent, independent and dependent. The independent claims are the broadest ones, and they do not refer back to an earlier claim. The dependent claims refer back to an earlier claim and therefore also require everything in that independent claim plus whatever is expressly listed in the dependent claim itself. I will show you an example of dependent claims in a moment. People often ignore their dependent claims, and that is a mistake. The dependent claims perform a very important function, which is bulletproofing your patent against subsequent attempts to invalidate it. Let's say you sue somebody for infringing your patent, and let's say they find new prior art the patent office didn't know about, and they successfully invalidate your broad and dependent claim. If your narrow claims have features that aren't taught in that prior art and therefore survive that invalidity challenge, if they still cover the defendant's product, guess what? They infringe the patent and you win. Remember, to infringe a patent, you have to infringe at least one valid claim of the patent. Those dependent claims are very important. Now let's take a look at an example of what dependent claims look like. This is the Scoop spatula patent. Let's look at some dependent claims. Claim 7 is an independent claim. It doesn't refer back to anything earlier, but if you look at claims 8 and 9, you'll see claim 8 refers back to claim 7, claim 9 refers back to claim 8. So claim 8 adds the requirement of one or more footers associated with the bottom surface of the blade, and 9 adds some more details to that. This is turned sideways, but figures 2 and 3 show footers 202. What that allows you to do is to set the spatula on a flat surface so that even though it has this sort of scoop-like structure, things won't spill out of it. And so those dependent claims further limit what's in claim 7 to require those footers. Okay, so that's why dependent claims are important. Now, how do you select the features for your dependent claims? Two key things to think about. One, which features are most likely to further distinguish the prior art and really add value in terms of differentiating, your patented product from the prior art. Second, which features have commercial value? Which features are the hardest to do without compromising the value of the product? It's the same issue with designer rounds. It's the same thought process. Now you're looking at the dependent claims and you're trying to pick those features that are the most showstopper-like, if you will. Okay? So that's what you want to think about. But pay attention to those dependent claims. I hope that helps to keep you out of trouble, and I hope to see you here soon.